Hello, welcome to the channel English for Children. Today we are going to continue with question number 4, General English Examination Paper 2024. 2024 General English Paper එකේ ප්‍රශ්න අංක 4 part 1. This is the part 1 paper that we are doing. So we will see how to do the question number 4. හරි අද අපි කරන්නේ General English paper එකේ 2024 General English paper 1 එකේ question number 4. We are doing 2024 General English paper part 1 question 4. Now we will read the question and see how to answer this question. Underline the most appropriate word from those given within brackets. Now here they have given some words in brackets and you have to find the most appropriate word or the correct word. The correct word. You have to find the correct word from the brackets. එතකොට මෙතන ඒගොල්ලෝ අහලා තියෙන්නේ underline. They are telling you to underline the correct answer. මෙතන කියන්නේ යටින් ඉරක් ගහන්න. ඒ කියන්නේ දීලා තියෙන වචන පේලියෙන් එම හිස්තැනට සුදුසු වචනය යටින් ඉරක් ගසන්න. හරි. එතකොට අපි බලමු කොහොමද මේ උත්තර ටික හොයන්නේ කියලා. The first one. The advertisement in the Sunday Times for a driver blank. The words they have given here: acquired, kidnapped, drew, pulled my attention. Right? The advertisement in the Sunday Times. Sunday Times කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? Sunday Times, you get a newspaper in Sri Lanka. The name of it is called the Sunday Times. The advertisement in the Sunday Times for a driver blank, acquired, kidnapped, drew, pulled my attention. My attention, මගේ අවධානය ඒ ඇඩ්වර්ටයිස්මන්ට් එකට යොමු වුණා. මගේ අවධානය ඒ ඇඩ්වර්ටයිස්මන්ට් එකට නැත්තම් ඒ දැන්වීම ඇවිල්ලා රියදුරු මහත්මයෙක් රැකියා අභ්‍යර්ථුවක් තියෙන ඒ ඇඩ් එක තියෙන ඒ පත්තරේට මගේ අවධානය යොමු විය. My attention. මගේ අවධානය යොමු වුණා. Then the correct word here for this blank. Okay. Now here, the meaning of the word acquired. The meaning of the word acquired is අත්කර ගැනීම. You acquired. You take hold of. The meaning of the word acquired means you take hold of, or in other words, අත්කර ගැනීමක් is also called acquired. Kidnapped. Kidnapped, the next word. Kidnapped, the meaning is that you are taken by force. Kidnapped. පැහැර ගැනීම. Drew is you were drawn to something. You were looking at something and you were drawn to something, and that we are saying drew. Drew. Then pulled. We are being pulled. So you pulled means adima, or someone is by force pushing you and you are being pulled. So then the correct word for this blank over here, the correct answer is drew. The advertisement in the Sunday Times for a driver blank, the answer over here is drew my attention. Drew my attention. මගේ අවධානය එතනට යොමු වුණා. Drew my attention. Right? The next one. At present, people use devices that are blank, combined, connected, aligned, tied, to each other through internet. That means people at present they are using devices that are all right throughout. All the devices are connected together, connected through the internet. So then what is the correct word that should come here in the blank? Connected. The correct word is connected. At present people use devices that are connected to each other through internet. Then we will see the meanings of the other words. What is the meaning of the word combined? Combined is two or three things put together, combined. නැත්නම් එකවර කිහිපයක්ම එකතු කර ගැනීම combined. Connected is the one and other, each piece or each unit is connected to the other unit. Connected, aligned, connected. Connected කියන්නේ සම්බන්ධ කර ගැනීම. එක යුනිට් එකක් තවත් යුනිට් එකක් එක්ක සම්බන්ධයක් තිබෙන එක තමයි අපි කියන්නේ connected. Then aligned. The meaning of the word aligned is එක පෙළකට, aligned. That means you can say the units are placed horizontally. Then it is aligned. එක පෙළකට තියෙනකොට යම්කිසි unit දෙක තුනක් හතරක් එක පෙළකට තියෙනකොට අපි කියන්නේ ඒකට aligned, tied, බැඳ ගැනීම. එතකොට two or three things tied together. ගැට ගහලා තියෙනකොට අපි කියන්නේ ඒකට tied. So the cannot be aligned, not tied, not combined. The correct word here is connected. Next one. Number 3. We need English to blank, capture, gather, collect, obtain a good job. Okay. So then here we need English to, for what? Why do we need English? We need English to obtain a good job. හොඳ රස්සාවක් ලබා ගැනීමට අපිට ඉංග්‍රීසි අවශ්‍යයි. Obtain කියන්නේ to get a good job we need English. What is the meaning of the word capture? Taken by force. Capture, the meaning of the word capture is taken by force. නැත්නම් බලෙන් අල්ලා ගැනීම. Gather, to gather, රැස් කිරීම. Gather is you collect two or three things together. Gather. Collect is also you take out two or three things together. You can call that collect. So it is not capture, it is not gather, it is not collect. The correct word over here is obtain. Obtain a good job. Fourth one. Minister of Energy has blank, enhanced, enlarged, increased, expanded the price of petrol with effect from midnight. Minister of Energy has blank, enhanced, enlarged, increased, expanded the price of petrol with effect from midnight. Then what is the answer? Increased. වැඩි කළා තියෙනවා. price එක නැත්නම් මිල price එක කියන්නේ මිල වැඩි කරලා තියෙනවා. Increased. Right? The word enhance, the meaning of the word enhance is you have done it, or you have enhanced, you have improved the quality of something. Enhance. නැත්නම් වැඩි දියුණු කිරීම. Enlarged is it is made bigger. Enlarged is made bigger. So this is wrong. Not enhanced, not enlarged. Then expanded කියන්නේ ඒ කියන්නේ උදාහරණයක් විදිහට ශාඛාවක් එක ශාඛාවක් තියෙනවනම් ඊළඟට නගර කිහිපයක අපි තව ශාඛා දෙක තුනක්ම තියෙනවා. එතකොට ඒකට කියන්නේ expanded the business. We have expanded business එක ඊට වඩා වැඩි දියුණු තත්යකට පත් වෙලා. Expanded. It has grown. The meaning of the word expanded, grown. So it is not expanded. Then the answer for this blank is increased. Increased. The next one. We should blank maintain, survive, produce, cultivate harmonious relationships with our life partners. Right? We should blank maintain, survive, produce, cultivate harmonious relationships with our life partners. What's the meaning of the word harmonious? Harmonious, what's the meaning of the word? The meaning of this word harmonious means a good relationship, a healthy relationship. ඒ කියන්නේ ගැටුමක් නැතිව සුහදශීලීව දෙදෙනෙක් එකට එකතු වෙලා ජීවත් වීම තමයි අපි කියන්නේ harmonious. They are living joyfully. They are living without fights, without any problems. Harmonious. They are living happily with whatever circumstances they are going through. Harmonious. ඒ කියන්නේ relationships, harmonious relationships with our life partner. Life partners කියන්නේ බිරිඳ සහ සැමියා අතර තියෙන සම්බන්ධතාවය නැත්නම් දෙදෙනෙකු අතර තියෙන සම්බන්ධතාවය. Our life partners, they harmonious relationship. To have a joyful relationship, happy relationship, that is called harmonious relationship. ඒ කියන්නේ සතුටින් දෙදෙනා සාමූහිකව ජීවිතය ගෙනී යෑම. සතුටින් ඒ දෙදෙනාගේ ජීවිතය ගෙනී යෑම අපි කියන්නේ harmonious relationships with our life partners. We should blank, what is it? Blank maintain පවත්වාගෙන යා යුතුයි. We should maintain harmonious relationships with our life partners. Survive කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? Survive කියන්නේ අමාරුවෙන් අපි කොහොම හරි ජීවිතේ ගැට ගහගෙන යන එක survive. Surviving means with great difficulty we are trying to live our life. Survive. Produce, we are making something. Produce කියන්නේ මොකක් හරි නිෂ්පාදනය කිරීම. Cultivate, to plant, to grow something. Cultivate, වගා කිරීම. So the correct answer over here is maintain. We should maintain harmonious relationships with our life partners. Then the first one, the advertisement in the Sunday Times for a driver drew my attention. Second one, at present people use devices that are connected to each other through internet. Number 3, we need English to obtain a good job. Number 4, Minister of Energy has increased the price of petrol with effect from midnight. Midnight here is with effect from midnight කියන්නේ අද රෑ 12 ඉඳන් මේ මිල වැඩිවීම සිදු කරලා තියෙනවා. The price has increased with effect from midnight. ඒ කියන්නේ අද මේ මිල වැඩිවීම වෙලා තියෙනවා නම් අද රෑ 12න් පස්සේ මෙම මිල වැඩිවීම වෙලා තියෙනවා. හරි? We should maintain harmonious relationships with our life partners. Okay, I will see you in the next question in the next video. Subscribe, like, comment and share and support the channel for more videos. Thank you. See you in the next video.